Erie Insurance in North Carolina. Let's get into an honest review of the company and its operations right after this. If you are searching for a new insurance company, whether it be home, auto, life insurance, business insurance, a name that pops up from time to time in North Carolina is Erie Insurance. Referring to Erie, Pennsylvania, where the company started, Erie Insurance has been in the state of North Carolina for almost 30 years. They have a great presence here, and in this video we're going to talk about some of the highlights of the company and what they offer that's unique in our state. One of the first things that I'd say that I really love about Erie Insurance is they are a less volatile company when it comes to pricing. What do I mean by that? Well, Erie Insurance doesn't allow the state and the state's ideas about what the rate of insurance should be impact their actual rating platform as much as other companies do. So for instance, if the state says that auto insurance is too inexpensive or too cheap and you can raise the rate, Erie Insurance won't raise the rate all that much. Conversely, if the state says home insurance is too expensive, you can give your customers discounts, they don't lower the rate quite as much. Companies in North Carolina have those options. What Erie does is they create a very consistent flow of premiums. That's really nice when it comes to understanding how much coverage you have and how much you're paying for it, and just feeling good about the fact that your price is not going to fluctuate all that much depending on what the market has going on. The second thing I would say is that their technology and ease of use is extremely good. Erie Insurance has a very robust web presence and apps for the phones and things like that that you can use. They're very user-friendly. They work with local independent insurance agents, and so not only do you have access to great technological advantages, but you also have access to that person, that name, those people and relationships that you want to be able to build and call upon if you have an insurance problem that needs to be resolved. Their technology is far and away one of the best in North Carolina. Another thing that I really love about Erie Insurance is their claims handling. Not only are claims representatives available 24 hours a day, as you'd expect with most insurance companies, but their adjusters, the people that actually come to you when you have a problem, are local. They live in our community and they're employed by Erie Insurance. The reason that's important, a lot of insurance companies use what are called independent adjusters. Adjusters that live out of state and have to drive in to put eyes on a problem or a claim that may be being filed. Why that's helpful to customers is that oftentimes Erie trains their adjusters to try and find the coverage that's appropriate for the loss. They're not typically trying to exclude things or shake off a claim that they don't want to pay. Their adjusters understand that a hailstorm just came through because their home was just impacted just like yours. And so when they see those sort of things happening, they have a better disposition to the customer, helping you find coverage where it's needed and ultimately getting the claim handled and processed in a very quick and efficient manner. Another tip here, Erie is often best suited for people and families that have zero to very few claims. Reason that Erie is able to keep insurance rates consistent and low over time is because they don't let just anybody be insured with them. Now, they're not hyper exclusive, for instance. They do allow most people to quote with them and see if they qualify, but their rates are adjusted accordingly. If you are or have been paying insurance for a very long time and have not used your insurance for a very long time, they are a fantastic company to take a look at, as they often are geared towards serving that particular segment of the population. Finally, Erie Insurance has been working with independent insurance agents for a very long time. The reason that's important is the relationships that we as independent agents build with the company itself. We're not just going onto a website and plugging your information in and spitting numbers out. we do have to do that, but at the same time we're having a conversation with the company. There's an underwriting relationship where I get to know this person at the company that I can say, Mr. and Mrs. So-and-so has got this problem with insurance. I think they'd be a great fit for Erie. Let's take a look at their case. And we'll actually have a discussion and a conversation about your specific needs. That's a great help when it comes to making sure that you get all the qualifications and discounts that are available, and to help work through claims situations. If the insurance company had to, for instance, take an action against you and decide that they no longer wanted to insure you, we can engage the company at a personal relational level and say, no, this was a fluke, or this claim is not does not highlight their natural way of just being claims people. We just think that they had a problem here and that we can fix that for them. And that's why the underwriting relationship with Erie Insurance is so important. As you can probably tell, I could talk about Erie Insurance all day. They have a great set of products, again, up and down the spectrum, whether it's auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance. Our agency here at Callahan & Rice has valued the partnership that Erie Insurance has given us and our customers for almost 30 years. And we look forward to working with you on deciding if Erie Insurance would be the right fit for you and your family. On behalf of all of us here at Callahan & Rice Insurance Group, thanks for watching.